Placentia Yorba Linda Unified School District wants you to join our team. Are you interested in a rewarding job working with children in a school setting? We offer full-time and flexible part-time schedules throughout the day across our award-winning schools. In addition to teaching positions, we offer a wide variety of opportunities in the area of business, finance, maintenance, grounds, custodial, clerical, nutrition services, transportation, childcare, special education, technology, health services, counseling, wellness, and more, all to support the success of our students. So join the Placentia Yorba Linda Unified School District today to be a part of the heart and soul of our organization. Apply now at edjoin.org/PYLUSD or call 714-985-8410 for more details.